How to screenshot someone's Bereal without them knowing. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to screenshot someone's Bereal without them knowing. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. First thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Bereal application. Now next is slide down and simply turn your phone into airplane mode. Once you've turned your phone into airplane mode, the next thing that you're going to do is to simply screenshot the person's content. After that, you just need to get out of Bereal, and in here we are going to click on Bereal information and go to our memory section or storage section. You could also click on force stop. So here you can actually see clear cache and clear data. So clear both cache and data, and there you have it. Now simply open your Wi-Fi, and once you open your Bereal again, you can actually see that it will restart from the very beginning. And basically that's about it for today's video. Hope you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.